Welcome back to Daytime Live. It is
if you know
game
you're not
time,
around it,
and today we are premiering Budget Debate.
So
this game is going to challenge us to demonstrate budgeting skills and some really fast thinking, since we don't have a lot of time, because we're only allotted 2,000 Jamaican dollars across all the scenarios that are presented. And if you know, you know where the 2,000 Jamaican dollars concept is coming from. If you know, you know.
So each of us will take turns strategically calculating our spending priorities with estimated prices, right down to the very dollar. Let's get ready. Let's go.
First scenario.
Night
out with friends.
What's that?
$2,000 budget. So you're going out with your friends, and all you have to spend is $2,000.
All right, I know how this will work.
Okay, how it's going to work?
Hold on.
I already have it closed. So the first thing...
Hold on, man. You wanna hear you talk. You never talk.
Me talk. Watch me. So me estimate.
Night out. All right.
Okay.
Night out.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so how you say you're $2,000 I go now? How you mash up your $2,000?
Well, I have to put like a gas in the car.
Yeah, how much gas you put in the car?
Yes, so I put $500 gas in the car.
A regular thing you put in your car?
I put $500, because I'm not going to fire now.
A one-way car you have?
Yeah, I'm not going to use the AC or nothing.
True.
I'm going to keep the windows down.
All right.
Or pinch it, right? So that leave me with $1,500. So when I go now, I have to buy little juice, because you can't make them realize it.
You can't keep it.
Yeah. Right, you can't make them realize it's only $2,000 you have. So here we're going to do now. This is what we're going to do when we go out with no money.
Yeah.
We're going to just talk to the bartender a little bit, and then we're going to buy a little water and put in a one-night glass them. Like a shot glass. And make it look like a little romantic.
You're a schoominar.
So, bottle of water, $100. Yeah, that would
How much that you got now? 6 bills?
6 bills, yeah.
You go be changed?
Yeah, listen, no ramp with me.
All right.
Okay, all right. Then I'm going to want to eat. That's the next thing now, you know. So then I want to eat. So here what we're going to do.
A night out,
then I'm going to want to eat. So after I trick them with the water now, we have to buy little food. So here we're going to buy appetizer, $1,000.
Yeah, go feed one.
Yeah.
How much that you got?
I got one with $400.
4 bills. All right, so here how me do my one now. First of all, I not put no gas in my car, because whenever them go pick me up.
They want to pick you up? No, nobody pick me up.
Yeah, pick me up. But guess what go on now?
What?
I still got my 5 bills put on one side as me get vex money.
Who you get vex? Oh, just in case them decide not to drop you home.
Or somebody drink too much of them not supposed
all right,
to.
go on.
Me get vex. See? Me a cook. Me a cook. So if them say, I would just have a serving of fries.
Dr. Nachi, go on, continue.
Serving of fries.
Dr.
That are $7.50.
Go on. Doctor. No.
$7.50.
I'm not going away with you.
Well I know, $7.50. I go come up and give them, I can give them 5 bills towards the bill, the general bill.
I'm not give no money to it.
I'm not give them.
Yeah, separate your bill.
True.
Anyway, I save
so
400. How much you save? Quick.
No, and then I have the next 4 bills for a cranberry juice. How much this now? This at 9. I save 250. No, 350.
350. All right. So I save 400. Next.
All right. Where next thing I want?
Next.
Back to school supplies. Which school am I go?
All right.
What kind of school?
It depends on which school.
What kind of school?
What kind of school? Tell me a school. High school?
High school? I could go high school.
High school where I go?
Yeah.
All right. And we have $2,000 for back to school supplies? Yeah. Here we are going to do Dufton. Come.
Yeah.
We're going down at wholesale. Right? Watch me now.
So you can't know about wholesale?
Just stay there. Watch me now. We're going to night wholesale. We can get about 6 pencil.
Back to school, BTS. 6 pencil.
We can get 6 pencil for about $500. Right?
How much have pencils I need? If it's $100 for a pencil,
come now, man, we have budget
it's not
something.
500.
Come,
Sunny,
the pencil them.
$100 for a pencil, 600 for 6.
The folder leaf, we can buy about 10 folder leaf, because we just have to
buy no folder leaf.
Why we not buy
folder
leaf?
Book.
They need to do their assignment.
Theater leaf.
The book them may go get free.
For why?
Because I have books from last year, right? I have books from last year.
You got staple tip. Staple the part of the no use.
For me, I want to ask.
Yo,
you go on, you try.
A high school.
High school.
So
yeah.
here, I got now. I got 3 pen, 3 pencil.
She can't get no calculator.
12 bills. So what whole better? See, I calculated that me here. 1, 10,
Me
9,
like this.
8,
Like this.
7. So 12 bills. 12 bills.
Supplies.
I give it 3 pen and 3 pencil. Then can write.
Then can write. Me have the books.
3 pen and 3 pencils. See? Then them can get a 5 bills
Quick, hurry up.
allocation fee for folder leaf. Because folder leaf Africa, them have to write.
Yeah, man.
Have
Quick,
to make
how much you save?
And that right this at $1,700. So now our
Okay.
next 3 bills sit down.
Okay. I saved $1,500
How if you say 1,000?
because I never spend it. I never buy nothing.
You pick it done.
Quick.
Anniversary celebration.
For anniversary. Okay, all right. This is like wedding anniversary. All right, here we're going to do Duftan.
Of this. No, we not have with
No, hold on.
anniversary.
Food covered because I already have the corned beef and the bread in the cupboard, so we don't have to worry about food. We're going to have corned beef sandwiches. In terms of a gift, I'm going to go and buy one little roll-on cologne something them. I did buy one the other day for $500. All right, yeah. Or roll-on cologne something, so that leave me with $1,500. And then 2 little candle, I'm going to spend $350 for the candles. Yeah. All right. Anniversary. Because we have the food. Oh, I'm going to need one slice of cake. Oh, wait. I can get a slice of cake for $400. Yes.
How much money that I spend now?
$1,250. You go.
All
yes.
right, so first of all, I lock off the light. So I save this up. Me prepare for hurricane every year. So I take 2 of the candles in the house already and cut it in half and light it.
Candle.
So I'm not spend none of 2,000 yet.
Yeah.
Zine? Good. All right, gift. So you say gift,
Quick.
food, everything on me.
Oh, geez, you know what?
Yeah.
At least I tried. I
That
love
two-
this.
that $2,000
if you're really good, keep
I'm going to change $1,000. May I change $1,000 into some hundreds?
All right, put on the $2,000 and buy one Pro Box. Thank you so much for tuning in to Daytime Live on Tuesday. Nisha and Craig are gonna do this. I think Craig is going to mash this up because this is something he loves.
3 bills that I'm gone already.
Enjoy
Music,
your weekend.
YouTube.
Take care.